How to use the top command on Linux. In this video, I will show you how to use the top command on Linux. The top command is a powerful tool that can be used to monitor the performance of your Linux system. I will be using Alma Linux 8 for this tutorial, but the steps should be similar for other Linux distributions. Start by opening a terminal window and type the following command to start the top command, top. The top command will display a real-time view of the running processes on your system. The top half of the screen will show system information, such as the load average, CPU usage, and memory usage. The bottom half of the screen will show a list of the running processes. You can use the arrow keys to scroll through the list of processes. You can also use the spacebar to sort the list of processes by different criteria, such as CPU usage, memory usage, or PID. To exit the top command, press the Q key. That's it. You have now learned how to use the top command on Linux. The top command is a powerful tool that can be used to monitor the performance of your Linux system. For more information on the top command, please visit the man page. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.